Welcome back to Math Zen, everyone, and welcome to a new series, Fast Test Prep for 5th grade. In this video, I will be going over 2 number sense and operations type questions. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe.
Okay, here on this page, I'm going to suggest that you go ahead and pause the screen to give yourself an opportunity to read and solve this problem without me. After that, you can go ahead and click play to watch me solve it.
I wonder what the answer is. Let's go ahead and take a look.
The 2 most important pieces here are 6.5 feet and 3.2 feet. And the key phrase that unlocks this problem for us is the phrase less than the length. That means we're going to be doing some subtracting. So once we do that subtracting, we are going to set this up as 6.5 minus 3.2. Please note that the decimals line up. When you are adding and subtracting, it's very important that your decimals line up or you will get the problem wrong. I just tell my kids to drop the decimal straight down and treat it like a normal subtraction problem. 5 minus 2 is 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. So our final answer is 3.3 feet of wood for the width of Mark's doghouse. Okay, here is question number 2. Again, just like question 1, I'm going to ask that you go ahead and pause the screen here. It will give you an opportunity to read the question and solve it on your own without my help. Stay tuned for the answer.
Let me try to figure this out.
Okay, so here I'm going to highlight the most important parts. We need to know there's 21 pages in each album, 12 cards per page, and he has 4 total albums. So this is your classic 2-step multiplication problem. We need to take the 21 pages per album and multiply it by the amount of cards that can go into one page. And we are going to do 2 times 1 to get 2, 2 times 2 to get 4, put our 0 to hold our place, 1 times 1 to get 1, 1 times 2 to get 2, and then we're going to add these up. 2 and nothing is 2. 4 and 1 is 5, and 2 and nothing is 2. This is a spot where a lot of kids will mess up thinking that they're done with the problem. They need to make sure that they're going ahead and actually answering the full problem, because 252 is only the amount of cards in one album, and the question clearly says that they need to fill 4 albums. So we take the 252, and we again multiply that by 4. And when we do that, we're going to get 4 times 2, which is going to give us 8, 4 times 5, which is going to give us 20, carry the 2 right to 0, and then 4 times 2, which is 8, plus the 2, which is 10. At this point, you are done with the problem. Your final product is 1,008 baseball cards.
Hey, that's pretty good.
That's all for this video. Make sure you have your notifications turned on so you're aware when the next Fast Test Prep for 5th grade comes out. And drop a thumbs up in the comments if you found this useful. Until then, don't forget to find your Math Zen.